I'm going to tell you why you'd install 6mm HardieBacker over a plasterboard wall. You must ensure that every screw goes into the stud, 15mm away from the edge and 50mm down. Plasterboard degrades with water. HardieBacker will give you a water resistant, mould resistant substrate to tile on. Plasterboard only holds 32 kg per square metres, whereas HardieBacker holds 200. Now what would you do if this wall was skimmed? All you need is a stud finder which acts like a magic wand. Wave over the wall, mark out where each stud is, and then just go straight through the plaster, through the plasterboard, direct into the stud.